Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to send multiple videos with text to your channel on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. It's a simple process that lets you share video content along with your message easily and effectively. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your channels. Once inside, navigate to the channel where you want to send your videos. Next, look for the attachment icon in the bottom right corner of the chat or channel interface. This icon often looks like a paperclip. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From the options, select Photos and Videos to pick your files. Now browse through your computer folders and choose all the videos you want to upload. You can select multiple videos at once by holding down the Control key or Command key on Mac while clicking each video. After you've made your selection, click Open to attach these videos to your message. Below the videos, you'll see a caption bar. Here, you can type the text that you want to send along with the videos. This caption helps give context, share details, or add any message you think your channel subscribers will find useful. Once you've written your text and confirmed your videos are attached, it's time to send. Simply click the Send button, and your multiple videos with the accompanying text will be posted to your channel. This feature is perfect for keeping your audience engaged by sharing rich media content paired with your message, all in one go. It saves you time and makes your posts more dynamic and interactive. Thanks for watching.